Go on, Steve.
Oh God, am I leading today? Well, we are on day 4?
5 for us, isn't it?
Day 5 for us, yeah. Heading off to the Pennines. When that young lady's going to get all excited and wave to us as we go through the barrier again.
Yeah.
Makes her day, us coming in and out, doesn't it?
You can imagine their team meetings. Be happy, be jolly.
Fuck off.
That's what I'd be fucking saying. Look at that, look. She's become erect already.
Wait for the big smile and the wave. There she goes.
She's going, there's retard number 1. Thank you, lovey.
Bye. She's probably stood there going.
You give her a toot.
No, I think she stood there going, I would.
She wasn't. She was going, as you went past, he'll be dead soon. He'll be dead soon. He ain't got long. Look at the fucking state of that.
Look at the sunshine up on that hill. Oh, clear.
Clear?
Clear.
Still clear.
Clear.
Still clear.
Yep.
Aye.
Oh, poor bugger's got to go to work.
It's a nice ass for a sheep.
Here we go. It started again. I think that chap was taking photos of sheep.
Was he? He's a sheep fancier.
They'll be up on the internet tonight, won't they?
Yeah. He's got a dating website he's setting up.
He'll be whacking himself senseless later with that.
He'll end up with wrists like Howie's.
Ron looks like a dodgem car this morning.
He does.
Yep.
At least you get a better view behind you with that than I do.
Yeah, I've got a rear camera on, I've got a chin mount on. Oh yeah, I'm all cameraed up until it rains.
I can't believe I ordered that remote you said, the Chinese one.
And it's here already.
Fucking that is incredible, isn't it? 2 days and it's in the country.
Oh, I can get some E5. Happy days.
That's what I'm looking for. There you go, E5. Ooh, white Twixes, that's wrong, isn't it?
Hey.
Thank you, sir.
I saw Nigel looking at that hippie bird's arse on the way in.
Oh, yes.
Do you know what? I was looking at her hair thinking, what the fuck's growing in that? There's got to be shit living in that. And it stinks.
Yeah.
Go on then, gents. Don't forget the average speed camera on.
I'll do a flyby, Steve. Hello, Steve.
Whoosh, hello.
You need to go back in front though.
No. You went in front, you stay there. Oh, that flyby I did with Knights going down the 303. Honestly, it was about 38 mile an hour. It's like, come on, car.
We got a speed camera van, speed camera.
Speed van, fucking wankers.
Here we go.
Cock-sucking, dick shit, fucking turds.
Tourette's is off again.
Why don't you say what you really feel, Nige?
Must be so frustrating holding back like that.
I don't know where
Yes.
she's wanting to go.
Come on then. Go on.
She's about a mile away from the junction. I didn't know what way she was going.
She just said to me, is that fucker in front from up north? I said, yeah. She says, explains it all. Explains it all. Tell Joe to stay closer, whoever's in front of him with a rear-facing camera. Oh. Don't forget to stay a bit closer for the camera. Yeah. He'll hit me up the fucking arse now. Well, this is saying right lane for the car park. That's in there. We don't want that. We'd probably get lost in there and all.
More than likely, yeah.
Oh, I wish my bloody daughters had stopped sending texts.
Well, you
It comes up and covers half me fucking screen. Well, they're obviously talking amongst themselves in the fucking group.
yeah.
But it covers half me bloody 7-inch screen. I got a 7-inch or two, Ron.
Yeah. I've only got 5 at the moment.
Well, I'm quite happy with my 5.
It's like when you're younger, innit? And you get your pecker out and the bit of stuff says, who do you think you're going to please with that? And you say, me. Me. Yes. Rev bomb. Joe's just revved it and he accelerated like fuck.
Five bikes roaring on the twisty lanes. The Pennine hills whisper through the chains. Torches laugh, cuts the morning fog. Ron snaps a pic while Alex checks his vlog. Steve's got a mic that won't behave. Joe shouts, hold up, let me fix it, I'll get it saved. Stop and faff and ride again. Laughing loud with the wind as a friend. It's not the speed or the road ahead. It's the Tour de Faff, where biking joy is spread. The faff is done, then the engine sings. Torch wipes his lens so he won't miss a thing. Steve's intercom appears to be dead. Joe's remote could be bust. Alex just grins, that's the faff we trust. Twisting roads and rolling skies. The faff's the glue, the miles just fly. Stop and faff and ride again. Laughing loud with the wind as a friend. It's not the speed or the road ahead. It's the Tour de Faff, where biking joy is spread. Stop and faff and ride again. Laughing loud with the wind as a friend. It's not the speed or the road ahead. It's the Tour de Faff, where biking joy is spread. Where biking joy is spread.
Yeah, I'm still there. I'm just getting bitty conversations here.
There's nothing wrong.
I asked for that, didn't I?
I don't know how long we've been riding.
I haven't got a clue.
If anyone, or if anyone wants coffee and shit,
Oh,
or even if you want a
coffee.
shit.
Can do. I'll change my batteries, get them charged up.
Service is straight ahead.
Yeah, just grab those. It's probably easiest, isn't it?
Yeah, it takes us off our route very slightly, but
Aye, we can come back. It's fine. It's not
Yeah.
very far away.
it's not like
Did
we're
you get that
heading
out?
to the M6.
Straight over, ignore the route. I mean, I'm ignoring it anyway because it keeps saying, turn round, fatso, turn round. Junction 38 truck stop.
Oh, it's a bit rough.
It is.
Oh,
look.
yeah,
Hey.
Yeah, I'm just
No, all
going over here.
BMWs sound like that. Ah,